Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly special. The 2025 Chevrolet Nova SS 454A. Name that carries serious muscle car heritage, the Nova SS has always been a symbol of raw American power and performance. And now, Chevrolet has brought it back, blending classic muscle with modern engineering. This car is more than just a revival, it's a statement. So buckle up as we dive deep into everything the new Nova SS 454 has to offer. Let's start by talking about the exterior design. The front end immediately grabs your attention with its aggressive yet refined stance. Chevrolet has stayed true to the Nova's classic DNA while incorporating modern design elements. The wide grille with blacked-out detailing gives it a menacing look, flanked by sharp LED headlights that feature a distinctive lighting signature. The hood is sculpted with subtle yet powerful lines, and the dual air intakes hint at the beastly performance beneath. The lower bumper is fitted with a large air intake and a front splitter, enhancing both aerodynamics and road presence. Moving to the side profile, the Nova SS 454 maintains a muscular silhouette. The long hood and short rear deck give it that unmistakable muscle car stance. The flared wheel arches house 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, which not only add to the aggressive look but also provide serious grip on the road. The side mirrors are finished in gloss black, complementing the sleek black window trim. There's a functional vent behind the front wheel, improving airflow and reducing drag. The body lines flow smoothly toward the rear, maintaining a cohesive and balanced design. At the back, the Nova SS 454 commands respect. The quad LED taillights are a modern homage to the original Nova design, and they light up in a sequential pattern when you hit the brakes. The trunk lid features an integrated lip spoiler, adding a subtle touch of downforce. Down below, the aggressive rear diffuser is flanked by quad exhaust tips, hinting at the monstrous V8 lurking beneath the hood. The rear bumper is sculpted to perfection, giving the car a wide and planted look from behind. Stepping inside the Nova SS 454, you'll find a cabin that blends retro inspiration with modern technology. The dashboard features a horizontal design reminiscent of the classic Nova, but it's fitted with high-quality materials and cutting-edge tech. The driver-focused cockpit includes a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, customizable to display performance metrics, navigation, and more. The center console houses a 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen, running Chevrolet's latest software with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are upholstered in premium leather with SS badging stitched into the headrests. They're heavily bolstered to keep you firmly in place during spirited driving while remaining comfortable on longer trips. The flatbed steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara, featuring paddle shifters and a red stripe at the 12 o'clock position. There's a mix of carbon fiber and brushed aluminum trim throughout the cabin, adding a touch of sportiness without feeling overdone. The Nova SS also comes with a premium Bose sound system, delivering crisp audio quality even over the sound of the roaring V8. Now, let's get to the heart of the Nova SS 454, the performance. Under the hood sits a naturally aspirated 7.4-liter V8 engine, producing a staggering 650 horsepower and 600 lbs for torque. This powerhouse is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, with an optional 10-speed automatic for those who prefer a more relaxed drive. The Nova SS rockets from 0 to 60 in 3 in just 3.5 seconds, thanks to a combination of rear-wheel drive, launch control, and a limited slip differential. The suspension setup includes adaptive dampers, allowing you to adjust the ride stiffness depending on the driving mode. In track mode, the Nova SS 454 tightens up, delivering razor-sharp handling and minimal body roll. In comfort mode, the suspension softens, making it surprisingly livable for everyday driving. The braking system is equally impressive, with Brembo's 6-piston calipers up front and 4-piston calipers at the rear, providing confident and consistent stopping power. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Nova SS 454 starts at around $65,000 for the base model with the manual transmission. Opting for the automatic transmission, premium paint options, and carbon fiber trim packages can push the price closer to $75,000. Considering the performance, heritage, and modern tech packed into this car, it sits competitively in the muscle car segment. If there's one suggestion for improvement, it would be the fuel efficiency, but let's be honest, no one buys a muscle car like the Nova SS 454 for its gas mileage. However, Chevrolet could consider offering a hybrid system in the future to improve efficiency without sacrificing performance. Additionally, while the rear seats are usable, they're best suited for shorter trips or smaller passengers, but again, that's typical for a performance-focused coupe. So, what's the verdict on the 2025 Chevrolet Nova SS 454? It's everything a modern muscle car should be. Loud, fast, and unapologetically aggressive. Chevrolet has managed to capture the spirit of the original Nova while incorporating modern performance and technology. It's not just a car. It's a statement of American muscle heritage. Whether you're a longtime Nova fan or someone looking for a high-performance coupe with character, the Nova SS 454 delivers in every department. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Chevrolet Nova SS 454, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Nova SS. Is it the ultimate modern muscle car, or would you take something else? See you in the next one.